Hello, all you wonderful people in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me today. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. So as I'm sure you can already tell, I'm starting off with a painted canvas. I've got some black and some blue on there. I just sort of blobbed on black and blue randomly and then just spread it around. It's kind of the same thing I did last week with the black and the red, and I liked how it looked, so I thought I'd try it again. And I'm going to be doing a string pull. I've got some silver as well as some gold all ready to go. Just the water and the PVA glue in that is all. And I have this, I don't know how well this picks up on camera, but this primitive looking tool. Basically, it's just a drinking straw. It's a smoothie straw, so it's a little thicker than a normal drinking straw. I've got some duct tape on it, sticky side out, and I've stuck through a handful of pins. And this little device will become very clear very shortly just what its purpose is. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the silver, and I'm looking at putting one in each corner string and then meeting in the middle. And we'll see just how that goes. As I pull it up out of the cup, I just scrape it very gently against the popsicle stick, because I don't mind if it drips a little bit, but I'm going to try to prevent that if possible. Don't want it to do too much. All right. Let's go with another silver. Go up in this corner. I can move these out of the way. There we are. And on the black and the blue, I also did not add any crazy additives. Just the usual sort of water and PVA glue. Put that down there. And the one final corner. And I do have a couple of gold here that I'm going to be doing as well. Just going to put those on the sides. Or not the side, but in the middle, I guess maybe is more appropriate to say. Here we go. And put that up there as well. One final one. Here we go. All right. So let's just let this sit for one moment. And then what I'm going to do is take my my little primitive tool here. I'm going to roughly find the middle wrap the remaining string around it, and then just twirl it and bring them all together in the middle all at once. And well, we'll see what we get. See what we end up with. I probably shouldn't have put them quite so in the middle as they are now, but hey, that's all right. We'll figure it out. Just need to make a hole here. Again, I want to try to get it roughly in the middle. So it's not rocket science. If you don't get it there, it's okay, but we're going to try to get it fairly close. And let's just wrap these around here. And so now you see why we have the tape on there and the pins to hold the string, or the yarn, I guess maybe is better to say. Where there's going to be paint on it, I don't know how well the tape will hold up. So I'm kind of wrapping around and, uh-oh, where did that one go? I lost the end of it. Alright, well, that's fine. And wrapping it around the pins as well. Well, they're all getting covered in paint, a little hard to tell. The ends here. I think one more to go. Well, we'll figure it out very shortly. All right. And now that I have paint all over my fingers, and make it rather difficult to twirl this, I'm just going to wipe it off there. And let's just like we got a big fork full of spaghetti, just slowly twirl it around and see what we get. Paint is pooling up in the middle as I suspected, but that's alright. We'll deal with that momentarily. Looks like maybe I should have used a little more gold. Getting some cell formation in the gold there, that's peculiar. Not a bad thing, just peculiar. I think I'm moving around here. Alright, so far so good. Let's just see how we get the yarn out of here. If I continue doing that, that will work. Oh, but I don't want that hole in the middle. Alright. Shorten that up. Just want to swirl it around the teeniest bit, just because we do have quite a lot of paint right there. Actually, I wonder. No. Let's, basically, I'm just evening it out. Definitely should have used a little more gold. We've almost lost it completely. But that's quite all right. I love how that silver is looking. All right, so because I didn't put any crazy additives, I'm not going to worry about, checking it in a while, see what sort of cell formation has happened. And I do see a little bit forming, but they're just going to be minor, tiny bit. So that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Go ahead and feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see all you wonderful people next time.